Welcome to the captivating city of Hong Kong, where tradition meets innovation in a harmonious blend. Join us on an exhilarating journey through Hong Kong's iconic landmarks, rich culture, and the unique experiences that make it a traveler's paradise. Our adventure begins atop Victoria Peak, offering a panoramic view of the city's breathtaking skyline. Dive into the bustling street markets and experience the cultural tapestry of Hong Kong through its vibrant neighborhoods. Step into the contrasting worlds of Hong Kong Island and Kowloon, connected by the historic Star Ferry. Discover the scenic beauty of the new territories, where nature reigns supreme. Indulge in the flavors of Hong Kong's diverse culinary landscape, from savory dim sum and elegant tea houses to mouth-watering street food delights. Hong Kong's food culture is a global sensation. Immerse yourself in Hong Kong's rich cultural heritage at temples, festivals, and traditional ceremonies. Witness the fusion of ancient traditions with modern life. Escape to Hong Kong's natural wonders, with scenic hiking trails that lead to breathtaking vistas and pristine beaches that offer relaxation by the sea. As the sun sets, Hong Kong transforms into a dazzling spectacle with the symphony of lights show over Victoria Harbour, a testament to the city's vibrant spirit. Whether you're a city explorer, a food lover, a culture enthusiast, or simply a traveler seeking adventure, Hong Kong has it all. Hit that like button, share the excitement with fellow travelers, and subscribe for more captivating travel content.